No. No.
Hey guys, Julie here. I'm with Guiness again, and we're back at the canal. I wasn't very happy with the amount of dogs we ran into yesterday. We did run into one husky, but I'm here on a beautiful Saturday morning. We've already walked by 2 dogs. One of them was exploding in his face, a little gray puffy dog. I did not get that on camera, but he was perfect. He was just like this, looking up at me for reassurance, for guidance. I was there to say, yes, good boy. And as soon as we passed that dog and they were out of sight, I stopped, I released him, and I gave him so much love. And then we just passed a black lab, and I got that on camera for you guys to see. No reaction at all. So I'm really happy with his performance at this point, because he knows exactly what the consequence is if he does react, and he knows that he can also be successful. So he knows the decision is his, the outcome is controlled by me and his owners. So we're still on the hunt. The more experiences we can get, the better. The more positive experiences he has, he will remember that in his head. And after this, we're headed to PetSmart to get even some more experiences. This guy goes home on Monday and Tuesday, 2 go-home sessions. We really want him to be successful with his owners. He's doing great. Good boy. Good. I am so proud of Guiness. Guys, did you guys see that? We just walked by this little black dog right at the entrance. We were not expecting that. He did so well keeping his composure. I don't know if you can see, but if you look back in the video, he's really trying. He's really trying, and he looks up at me for reassurance, and I'm right there to say, good boy, good boy. Come. Just walked by 2 more dogs. If you notice in that one, those 2 little dogs popped up as we were nearing the end of the aisle, unexpectedly. And so to keep him successful, we quick changed directions, because I don't want to keep walking and running into them. It's not fair to him. He struggles with this, so I don't want to put him in an uncomfortable situation. So I used my recall, my come word. That got him turned right back around, and we heeled in the aisle around in the other direction. He's just really doing so well. It's important to know the dog that you have, the dog that I'm walking, what his issues are, what his limitations are. Obviously, he's never a dog who can meet another strange dog on the leash out in public. It's not fair to him. He doesn't want that. It's a very dangerous situation. So we always want to keep our distance, and the expectation is stay in heel, stay calm. No barking, no lunging, no exploding, but I also have your back. You can go up that way. Go. Sit. Good boy. You. Good boy. Sit. Good. Just waiting to walk by. It's a little too narrow of a space past those 2 dogs, and I don't want to put him in an uncomfortable situation. So we're just waiting for them to walk through first. Thank you. Good boy. Sit. Good. Come on, up. Good boy. Down. Good boy.